We are going to discuss Schweiss door design in Autocad, that is structural detail. So I'm doing an airplane hangar, and I'm doing the design, and the most interesting part in this design is the Schweiss bifold door. So as you can see in these images from Google, Schweiss offers two types of door which are open automatically. That is the hydraulic and the bifold door. So my design is going to be involving the bifold door. So I'm going to show you the details of this door in AutoCAD. For this is important for architects, civil engineers, and mechanic. So follow this video to the end so that you can see the different parts of Schweiss bifold door in AutoCAD. So this is the image in Google. So I'll go to the AutoCAD file. So there's this file here. This is door equipment layout drawing and structural drawings. So this drawing shows the location of equipment, motors, devices that are attached to the door and is for information. Door frame to be primer painted gray. So I'm not going to read that. So let's go to my drawing in AutoCAD which I have printed. As you can see, this door is going to be 48. So I'm going to change this detail. Going to be 48 by I need this door to be 48 by 16. So the height, the finished floor of the top hinge will be 16 feet, and the frame width will be 48, not 42, 48. So these are the details. You can see we are having right here on the left, we are having 3 double roller. This is the one which is going to help the door to move up swiftly. So 3 double roller. You can see the detail. You're having a strap lunch tensional assembly. So this is the tensional assembly. As you can see the details, the bolts and everything. You have the outer wall pin here, and you have the strap lift. You can see the details, the way they look like. This is the connection of the strap beam to the header. The same details are auto strap wind pin. Now this one is important because of wind, so that the door can resist wind pressure in high wind pressure zone. You can see the motor and gearbox details. Motor and gearbox details. You can see the connection here at the top. the connection with the header. And now you can mirror this information to the right hand side. Again, floor finishes to center of 5 tall wainscot member, 3 double roller down here, strap large tension assembly, this one here, outer wall pin, this is the outer wall pin here, and then strap lift. Then you can see the way the connection with the header is at the top here. Now you can see the details. Finish floor to, this is the west elevation. You can see on the side when the door is closed, and when the door is opened, you can see the details. So structural header is by other building or design. So I'm the one who's to do the analysis and determine the header and the size of the columns and everything, so that we can be able to fix this door to a structure which is safe and also economical. So these are Schweiss Bifold door details in AutoCAD. So I'm not going to focus on how to draw it. Just sharing this information for any architect or engineer who might be wanting to do the same drawing in AutoCAD, so that for if you have a project. I've also attached a link where you can download this plan here, Schweiss door in AutoCAD. So this plan is the same here. It just I have exploded into current view, so you can be able to download this Autocad DWG. This information, you can be able to download it in the link that I will attach in my description. So thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.